In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few side hustles you can do while you have a 9 to 5 job, or just the side hustle you can start doing today and grow it into a full business. If you want to hear these side hustles, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get right into this video. The first side hustle you can start while on your 9 to 5 job is car sales. This is more applicable for guys. I know there are ladies that actually sell cars, but this is more applicable for guys. So I have this friend that goes, there's this US websites. There are websites in the US and Canada where people can go and look at cars that are available via auction and purchase cars on that website and have those cars imported into Nigeria. When these cars come in, all you have to do is just pay for the cost of the car when the auction is being done, and also pay for the cost of clearing the car and bringing it into Nigeria. Then you can now add your profits and sell the car. So all this business actually requires is you just having a bit of working capital. So from the money you earn on your 9 to 5 job, you definitely should have saved up a chunk of the money you've been earning. Then you can invest your money in this business. You can start by just buying, let's say, 1 or 2 cars from the auction, and then from 2 cars you can then proceed to like 3, 4, 5, 6. Because most times with cars that are being put on auction, you might not really know the full extent of the damage that may have occurred in the car. But take note, most of the cars that are being brought into Nigeria, like as second-hand cars, are accidented cars. So they are able to take these cars to places where they are able to fix these cars and put them in very good working condition before it is then being sold. So if it's a business that you are interested in, or you think that you have interest in, then I think you should consider it. If you're a lady watching this video, it's something maybe you could partner with your boyfriend or your husband, and you guys could work it out and definitely earn a good living from doing car sales. But if you feel like you don't want to go to the stress of having to import a car, pay for custom duties and all of the other extras, you might as well just start visiting car lots. You want to go to car lots where the prices of their cars are more affordable compared to the ones that are in the more open places, like in the eyebrow areas. So when you go to those areas that the prices of the cars are lower, you take pictures of these cars, you do videos of these cars, and you start to post it on your social media so people can see these cars. And when they think about changing their cars, you would come to their mind, so they could start purchasing their cars from you or referring you to people who want to buy their first car or just replace their cars. The second business idea you can start as a side hustle is managing a small business's social media. There are lots of people that make a very, very decent living from managing people's social media accounts, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, what else again, Twitter. So if you're somebody who is very, very good with managing with social media, it is something you can do as a side hustle. You can help businesses build their platform via social media and earn a living from doing it. You can even do this for about 3 or 4 businesses, and they pay you on a weekly basis, so long as you're able to do the job of effectively manage their social media presence and grow their following, and just help them have more traction in the online space. The third service you can render while you still have a 9 to 5 job is you can start a cleaning service. I'm quite sure in that office that you work in, that office actually has cleaners that work there and clean the office and all. What you can do is, there are lots of people that have 9 to 5 jobs that don't really have the freedom of time to clean their house. So most times when it's weekend, they're just trying to rest or trying to run around and get things that they want to get done. So people like that invariably will need people who can come in and just clean up their houses for them, and they pay a token. So by the time you know these people in your office that are cleaners, you can connect with them and start this your side hustle thing with them. So all you need to do is just get in touch with people. Okay, do you need a cleaning service for your house in the weekend? You can charge the person, let's say 10,000 naira to clean their space. It might just be like a 2-bedroom apartment. You charge 10,000 naira to clean that space, and let's say you have like 3 or 4, 5 people whose houses you clean every other weekend or every weekend. That is not bad, because in a day you'd literally be earning, let's say, 10,000 times five houses. And guess what? You don't even have to be the one doing this work. You can send these people to go do those work, but you need to also make sure that these people are very careful not to take anything from the homes. They don't steal anything from there, and they do a very, very good job. So all you then need to do is now pay them for the service that they rendered. By the time let's say these people that you've contacted and gotten these jobs from pay you 100,000 naira for cleaning these 5 apartments, you then, is it 5 or 10? Did I say 5? Okay, 10,000. It just depends on your reach. They shall pay you 50,000 naira. You then choose to, let's say you got like two cleaners to do this job or 3 cleaners to do this job. You then pay these cleaners, let's say 5,000 naira for that day's work, or you can just pay the cleaner 5,000 naira for that day's work, and you take your own portion, they take their own portion, and everybody's happy. So that's a business idea you should also consider starting as a side hustle. Fourth business idea you should consider starting is having a car wash service. You know, most times, like in my estate, even around my estate, there's no car wash service around. So most times the only person that you can rely on to maybe help you wash your car is your gate man, and in most cases he might not be able to really wash the car very clean. So if you're somebody that likes to clean cars or really knows how to clean cars very well, what you can then do is just get all these like your small leads that can also help you in the service. You can do like flyers and, you know, share the flyers around just in case people need somebody that can come over and clean their cars for them, let's say on a Monday, on a Sunday, on a Saturday, or even during the week. You can just come in the morning time, help these people clean their cars, and they pay you, let's say, 2,000 naira to clean up their car. And you don't have to be the one doing this. That's another thing. You can get somebody and you move this tax to somebody else. And one thing I noticed when I went to Abuja was on the roadside, I saw lots of these people, lots of men on the roadside. So what they literally had there was a roadside car wash. You can just come and park your car at one side, and they'll just quickly wash your car, clean it up from the outside to the inside, and your car is parking clean, which is very, very cool. So this is definitely another business idea you should consider trying out. The fourth business idea you should consider doing while you are on your 9-to-5 job is becoming a part-time Uber driver. Yes, in case you don't know, people earn a lot of money driving taxis, driving Uber, because really the cost of entering taxis, especially in Lagos, I don't know about other parts of Nigeria or other parts of the world, the cost is really high. So there's definitely going to be a high profit from me driving. Though I know it's not an easy thing to do, having to drive someone from one place to another, and then from there going to from another place to another. It's really not easy, but you're definitely going to get a huge profit from doing it, instead of just having your car just sitting down there, not doing much with your car. It's something you can do on the side and earn a very good living from doing it. And take notes, on the average, the minimum you will earn from doing Uber, let's say on a Saturday and on a Sunday, at least there's no way you wouldn't earn at least 30,000 naira from just one day of doing Uber. But at least on the average, I think most of these Uber drivers earn at least 50,000 naira a day from driving people around. So if you have a spare car, you have free time in the weekend, or some people even do the Uber work after their 9-to-5. Let's say they close their 9-to-5 work at 4:30. Instead of going home straight, they might just take like 2 or 3 rides before they eventually go home. And their third ride, they will choose a ride that is going towards their home, like going towards where they live. So after they drop the customer, they can just go straight to their house. I think I had one colleague that was doing that at the time before he left. He left the country. Guys, these are the 4 side hustle ideas I have to share for you today. If you got value from this video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and remember, be bold and have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.